Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming coverage and gathering what you need. This speeds the whole process. Sign into your Apple ID and verify Apple Care Plus shows on your Airpods. Once done, note the Airpods serial number, order receipt, and make sure the earbuds are charged and nearby. Having these ready avoids delays when you contact Apple or visit a store. Next, choose whether you'll use online support, phone, or an in-person appointment to file a claim. Each route has slightly different steps. You now open the claim and follow diagnostics to identify the issue. This determines repair versus replacement. In the Apple Support app or on the website, select Airpods, describe the problem, and start remote diagnostics if offered. These tests check battery and connectivity. Make sure to answer prompts accurately so the result is correct. After diagnostics, choose repair or replacement. Apple Care Plus displays applicable service fees. If you prefer a store, schedule an appointment and bring your proof of purchase and ID. You finish by confirming service and verifying the outcome. This seals the claim. Accept the repair or replacement authorization, pay the Apple Care Plus service fee if required, and choose shipment or in-store pickup. When you receive the unit, pair and test all functions, left/right audio, mic, charging case, and battery performance, so issues are caught early. If things go wrong, ask for escalation and a repeat diagnostic. Make sure to mention previous claim, ID, and dates, so Apple can resolve lingering problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.